Ellies sells electronic products related to television reception and also has a division called Megatron Federal, which sells electric generators. The business was started by Ellies in 1979. It has a market cap of 2 billion rand, a price-to-earnings ratio of 12.4 and a dividend yield of 1.5%. I'm not sure if I said that surname correct.
Yep. In fact, Ellies, the founder, is about 58 or 59 or something. He's still the chairman, sort of semi-executive chairman. Wayne Sampson is the CEO who comes out and about. But the significant shareholders are Ellies and then also the people who sold Federal Megatron, the power generation business, into Ellies in exchange for shares. I think that's the Otto family. In any event, I mean, it is well positioned. There's this digital TV migration thing coming. They've got a business venture with Eskom. They're involved with the old sort of satellite TV distribution business. We know that's been a big seller. So again, one of those smaller groups that's doing well. I mean, look at that share price chart.
Break it down for us like you always like doing.
Sure. So, I mean, if you look at their earnings, 2/3 comes from the electrical side and 1/3 from Megatron. So Megatron, I'm excited. It's got good growth vectors in terms of it's, again, more the higher voltage electrical cabling, and so I think there's some good growth vectors there coming from municipality spend, the new power stations and the like. Then on the electrical side, that side they've been rolling out these green shop-in-shop, I think they call it. So very new in the last couple of months. If you go to a builder's warehouse, you'll see it, and it's all the Ellies products in terms of how to save water, how to save electricity, you know, energy-saving light bulbs. And that's, from what I've heard, is actually working very well. The digital television that's coming, that's also very exciting because all our TVs that are analog TVs, they're going to be switched off. You're going to basically have to get a new aerial and a new box in order to keep receiving your television signal. So that's something that's very exciting, and I know it's I think it's the 800 megahertz range which analog TVs plays in, and the cell phone operators, Vodacom and MTN, they want that range because that's where the 4G is going to come from. So they're pushing for that to be switched off so that they can have it. So there's certainly a lot of impetus, and that I think is quite exciting. And then of course you've also got the Eskom Power Save project, which is, you know, refitting all our houses with energy-saving light bulbs. So there's a number of things which are pretty exciting.
So pretty exciting for this one. Paul, could we perhaps see further gains on the stock?
I guess so, because again, I think on a price-to-earnings ratio, it's only at about 12. So I think it'll probably deliver earnings to justify that share price. Often that's the way the market works. The share price pops up to, you know, 6-7 rand a share, and the next thing you see them making 60-70 cents a share. So it's all about future expectations. But I mean, it's fascinating because there you could have bought them at 80 cents, you know, within the last 3 or 4 years. And here they are nearly a factor of 10 times higher. However, you know, there are challenges. The Eskom thing, yes, but the migration to digital television, you know, I mean, they say it's coming, but so is Christmas, because they've been working on that one for a while. So I think one just does have to be a little bit concerned. The earnings could be volatile, and they have been volatile in the past. Part of the reason they fell off back there was that they sort of over-promised and a little bit under-delivered. So I think with caution, one could look at this one.
So hot or not for you?
Okay, it's hot, I think.
Okay. Jonathan, hot or not?
I just see there's a number of very positive things on the near-term horizon. So, and based on the work that I've done, I think Ellies could earn 90 cents to a rand in the next year. So that kind of puts on a forward price-earnings ratio of about 9. So, oh, no, 7. Sorry, let me get that right. So I'm quite excited for it. So it's hot for me.
So 2 hots on Ellies.